going to
Jesse, I gotta see that mirror.
Okay, sorry. I hope that we are in the window side. Okay. Look at outside. So that is it. Okay, hon, that is it.
Good, Mom. We are on vehicle deck 3, which would be the starboard side. Now the starboard side is always the right side and the port side is the left side. So the easiest way to remember that is port is 4 letters and so is left. That's how you always remember it. And the bow of the boat is the front and the aft is the rear. So facing the bow, the port is on the left and the starboard is on the right. So we are on the starboard side of the ferry.
Okay.
Thank you. So right now, that's it. We're just probably going to go up and check the washrooms, maybe make sure the plumbing's good. You see, This is the BC ferry. This one is a, this is the Queen of Capilano, Victoria. It's coming from Gibsons and Langford, and that's some of the smaller islands out on the coast, and it comes in with it just left here. Stock it now and then unload and load up again and go. They just never stop all day long. They just keep going and going. Lots of traffic. Lots of little islands to be taken care of. They take like service trucks out there. You'll see the odd Shaw vehicle, Telus vehicles that go for the day and then come back or stay overnight. Things like that. Yeah. So the small islands need to be serviced too, but they're watching them like Haida Gwaii, the island of Haida Gwaii. They're not allowing anybody on there because they've had an outbreak of COVID. So some of the islands are being careful right now, but this one's still taking passengers. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Here we go. We are departing Horseshoe Bay in, I guess you call it West Vancouver. Departing Horseshoe Bay and heading towards Nanaimo. So it's probably nice weather right now. We might be able to see a couple killer whales or something like that. Tessie turns the camera 180 degrees, you might see an asshole. But yeah, so here we go. We're on the way. The rain's kind of stopped. It's not too sunny out. It's actually like 18 degrees. It's not bad. A little muggy, but it's beautiful. Lots of clouds and that. So talk to you later when we land in Nanaimo.